2001 as amended, the title of honor of the Personal Sacrifice Medal is awarded to officers who are being wounded or killed in the line of duty.
Uganda's political arena is heating up again. Two of the country's most powerful women are going head-to-head for the NRM Central Executive Committee, the second vice chairperson slot. On one side, the former Speaker of Parliament, Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga. On the other, the current Speaker, Anita Among. This is the battle of the Iron Ladies. Let's break it down, their strengths and their weakness. Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga. Rebecca Kadaga has been in Uganda political bloodstream for over 3 decades. Experience and legacy: former speaker for 10 years, deputy speaker before that, and a long-time Kamuli district power broker. Grassroots network: she is deeply rooted in rural politics, especially in Busoga, where her name commands loyalty. Women's empowerment icon: Kadaga has championed women's rights and youth engagement for years. Her weaknesses: all God image. Critics say her politics is part of the past, and Uganda's political base is getting younger. Past political clutches: her fallout with some top NRM figures in 2021 still lingers in the party circles. Factional support: while her base is loyal, it is concentrated. She will need wider appeal to take this seat. How about Anita Among? The rising power. Anita Among is the face of a new wave of parliamentary leadership. Her strength: current power position. As Speaker of Parliament, she wields influence over the legislative agenda and controls political optics. Strong state backing: Among is perceived to enjoy high power support within NRM current leadership. Rapid political rise: from Bukeda woman MP to Speaker in less than a decade. A meteoric rise that shows ambitions and skill. Weakness: perceived inexperience. Her critics argue she has not been tested in long-term political battles like Kadaga. Controversial decisions: some rulings and parliamentary choices have attracted criticism. Regional limitations: strong in Teso but still building a nationwide grassroots base. This fight is not just about a seat of the SEC, it is about legacy versus momentum. Kadaga brings history, network, and resilience. Among brings current power, speed, and strong party backing. When the dust settles, one Iron Lady will remain standing as the second vice chairperson of the NRM Central Executive Committee. So Uganda, who is your pick? Type your answer in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. More deep dives into East Africa's political battle.